It features a lightweight construction that allows for quick movements, ensuring you can pivot and sprint with ease. The cushioning technology provides excellent support, reducing the impact on your joints during those intense matches. You'll feel the difference in your energy levels, allowing you to focus on your performance rather than discomfort. But it's not just about functionality. The ASICS Core MZ also boasts a sleek design that looks great both on and off the court. You can step into your next game with confidence, knowing you're equipped with a shoe that complements your style while enhancing your performance. And let's talk about durability. The materials used in the Core MZ are built to withstand the rigors of the game, so you can trust that these shoes will be by your side for many matches to come. Investing in quality footwear is investing in your game, and the ASICS Core MZ is a fantastic choice. So, if you're ready to elevate your game and experience the perfect blend of comfort, style, and performance, the ASICS Core MZ might just be what you need.
These shoes were gifted to me by Babalabags. Check the link in the description box down below, as well as also check the comment section. I'm gonna pin their direct link so that you can also get yourself a nice pair of whatever type of shoe that you want. And they are also the ones that usually also gift me a lot of the handbags that I show here, the luxury ones. So do check that section out as well. These shoes, I tell you, they're the most comfortable shoes that I have worn, and I would love to have several pairs of this so that I can have one for work, one for play, as well as one for just everyday use. Because when I wear them, as you saw in the beginning when I showed you when I went to the flea market with my son testing them out, I felt like I was walking on clouds. It's just amazing how they managed to put all the cushioning and make you feel like you're just walking on clouds. No aching joints, no nothing. And with these ones, you don't even have to worry about creasing. You just walk normally and they still come out looking good. I don't like the walk that, you know, people usually make when they're trying to avoid their shoes from creasing. Well, let me know in the comment section what you think if you own any of these shoes, and tell me the comfort level. I'm just amazed. See, I was just trying them for the first time. When I first took them out from the box, they were written size 42, and then it says size 8.5, and I'm like, I'm a size 10.5, but only to realize that that was actually the UK size 8.5, which equates to 10.5. There you go. I was trying to show you what, you know, the size was, and I was just amazed at how they fit so well, and they came pretty quick. Within the timeline that they had said, I was able to track them, and I'm just amazed at the quality. Here you see me tying them on both sides, and then now I'm removing, you know, those tags that they came with, because I was sure now that I didn't need to send these shoes back. Remember to check my description box down below, as well as the comment section, for a direct link so you can get yourself these nice kicks, plus so many other brands that they have. This is the most comfortable shoe ever. Remember, happiness is not found in material things, but it is found in people. Love you, and I'll be seeing you again in the next one. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos are coming your way. Bye.